guys. It is super cool. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's get right into the video and I'm going to show you guys. Hi guys, so today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a Paramount Plus subscription for free. So what you want to do is go to the website ogsnags.com. So this website has a number of different coupons and stuff like that. So what you want to do is find Paramount Plus, and you can actually get a code to get free Paramount Plus for a year. So press get code, and as you can see, it says using this code you'll get free access to Paramount Plus, which works in USA, Canada, UK, and Australia. So I'm going to press the button that says show coupon code, and it's going to generate me my Paramount Plus code. So before it generates the code, guys, there is going to be a button that says get full code. Your code will be revealed. So what we have to do to actually get the code is complete this little verification step. So what we have to do is download 2 of these apps, which are all free, and they're from the App Store, and that will unlock the code. So as you can see, we got like Underdog Fantasy, which says download and run for 30 seconds. So we could do that. You know, Scanner app, DraftKings Casino, what have you. There are tons to choose from, but make sure you guys download 2 of the apps, and then you will get the Paramount Plus membership code for free on OG Snags. They are waiting for you. As you can see in the box, it says checking completion. So the code will be revealed, and everyone gets their own personal code, so you don't have to worry about getting someone else's code that already expired, because some websites out there provide expired codes, which are completely useless. So let's go ahead and type in Paramount Plus cost, and as you can see, we're going to be looking at around $8 a month or $90 a year. So if that interests you, go ahead. But if you clicked on this video, chances are you were looking for a way to get Paramount Plus for free. And at that, I would say head on down to OG Snags, go to the search bar, and literally just type in Paramount Plus, and you're going to see it for free, guys. So just press the button that says show coupon code, and you can get free Paramount Plus, guys, right now. No one can stop you. It actually works. So be sure to try it out, and I hope you guys enjoyed.